For sale here at Wood Transits, we've got a Ford Transit. It's a 350. It's an L3 single chassis cab, so long wheelbase chassis cab. Tool pod with alloy tipper on the back. It's a new unregistered import. It's a 2-year Ford warranty. Engine wise, we've got a 2 litre Euro 6 130, rear wheel drive, dual rear wheels. Base model chassis cab. We do have a couple of nice extras on this one. VisPack High, giving you front fog lights, heated windscreen, heated mirrors, folding mirrors as well, so some nice features, automatic headlights, auto wipers, some good bits in there. Heated seats as well. So the driver and the outside passenger seats are both heated. Subframe on the chassis is all galvanised steel, and then alley plank floor, alley plank side and tailboard. Dual rear wheels, the 4 wheels across the back. Heavy duty telescopic tipping ram. So tool pod, 600mm wide tool pod, roller shutter to each side with large lock for security. So the shutter just pulls down, and then you can lock it all up nice and safe with your tools. So the tipper tailboard on this one, so you can see it's tipped up with the tailboard in place. You can remove the tailboard completely if required. You can also tip with the tailboard down, as we see here. Or you can use the up and over feature as here. Leave the hinges in the top, and then the tailboard flaps out the way. Tipper body now down in the driving position. So drop sides to both sides drop down. Obviously the tailgate drops down as well. The rear corner posts here are fully removable. So if you wanted to remove both sides and the tailboard and the corner posts, you can just use it as a simple flatbed. And then the corner post simply drops back in place for you to lift the side and tailboards. So now into the cab. So all as expected to be in the cab with a new vehicle. Got your heated seat button there for the driver's seat. So dual passenger seat. The centre seat, you've got centre office space, and then both seat bases lift up as the outside one is here, so you have storage underneath the seat box. Nice feature. Overhead storage as well. So radio with an MP3 aux and also Bluetooth for your telephone. 6-speed gearbox. Heated windscreen. Automatic lights and electric mirrors, which are electric folding mirrors on this one too. Yeah, electric windows on this switch here. So miles wise, delivery miles to and from the bodybuilder, 201 miles. So on the switch here, when it's facing upwards, you can just pull it down and your mirrors will fold in. So if you're parked up on site, you can move your mirrors out of the way. Simple in reverse, do the same thing. Again, down mirrors fold back out. If you'd like any more details or assistance or book a test drive or a viewing, please give me a call in the office, 0118 979 0060. Thanks for watching. Take care.